Hey everyone, I'm Viola, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share a simple breast pump routine and talk a little about using a pump with a handle, which can make the process feel more controlled and comfortable. Let's take a closer look at the pump first. This breast pump has a soft silicone cup that sits gently and helps create a secure seal. The bottle attaches firmly to collect the milk, and the handle allows you to control the rhythm yourself. I really like this type of pump because you can go at your own pace and adjust the pressure depending on what feels right for you. Before starting, take a moment to relax and find a comfortable position. Gently place the pump so everything feels natural and aligned. Once it feels secure, begin pressing the handle slowly and evenly. The movement should feel smooth and gentle, not rushed or uncomfortable. As you continue, try to keep a calm rhythm. One of the benefits of a manual handle is that you can adjust the speed whenever you need to. Some moms prefer slower movements at first, and then a more steady pace as they get comfortable. Stay relaxed and let the pump do most of the work. Small adjustments in positioning can help keep everything comfortable. Remember that every routine is different, so take your time and listen to your body. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle. Everything is now ready to be stored or used. Thank you so much for watching and spending this calm moment with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more gentle tips for moms. See you next time.